Let's talk a little bit about custom changes with a wedding dress like this one. As you're trying on dresses, you'll see this base of illusion. On this one, it might not be easy to see in the video, but the illusion actually comes all the way up to my neckline. This is all sheer, and then you've got this nice, pretty organic edge. During the alterations process, we can order matching lace for the dress, or you can order from our bulk laces that we keep in stock. The bulk laces are going to be slightly more affordable and more available for a quick delivery. The designer match lace is a great option for brides that just want it to match directly and that have the time to special order it with their dress. Now, if you haven't ordered your lace and you've already ordered your wedding dress, let's chat about that and make sure that you qualify to order in time. If not, I bet you we have a great solution in stock. Now I want to show you some neckline changes. So I want you to see how just one small change can be very affordable and can give you some difference. So let's say you're not a fan of the off the shoulder. We can blend this lace pattern into the original to where you don't even see that it's happening. And one of the things that you'll notice about lace pattern already is that it's a blended fabric that's man-made. You take a layer of illusion and blend appliques onto a pattern. So what we'll do is get that direct match and blend all of this in so that you can't tell where the original started and stopped. Let's talk about the sleeves. This design obviously has a 3/4 sleeve. You might decide you want to go to a short sleeve, or you might want to come down a little lower, bracelet length, and even something with a fingertip length. We do have materials that we can show you in stock so that you can try on samples. What do you think about that? One of the pro tips I want to give you is go ahead and say yes to your dress, because the dress is going to come in as is. And then from there, you'll take it through the alterations department. But we want to have a conversation about lace. We don't want you to have to stress last minute about lace being unavailable. So we're going to order that pretty early in the process. And all you have to do is just connect with us and let us know that you're ready to start talking about your custom changes and the materials that you need to order for your changes. A lot of us like the peaked sleeve look. We can really get creative in showing lots of options. One of my favorite ways to get the conversation started is by looking at imagery online. Those inspiration photos that you send me will show me what your eye is drawn to. It shows me your personality, and then I can also get more creative with you and showing you additional ideas that maybe you didn't see online, but then maybe some of the pictures that you saw were the direction that you're going to go.